There is only one category of questions, and that is direct questions. If the spokesperson failed to answer a question in the time allotted, the quiz mistress may tell the audience the answer or ask someone in the audience to answer. Only the spokesperson appointed shall answer the questions. The other team members may consult before the answer is given. The timekeeper will ring the bell once after 20 seconds to warn the team that they have 10 seconds remaining to answer a given question. At the end of the 30 seconds, the bell will be rung twice to indicate the end of the time allotted. Points for quiz. If a team gets a question correct, the team will earn 2 points. If a team answers a question incorrectly, that team will not lose or earn any point. In other words, you earn point only for correct answers. Half point, which is 1 point, may be appointed by the quiz mistress in consultation with the producer, which decisions is final. Houses may lose 5 points for prompting of house members by other members. In this case, we don't have an audience, but we have the parents, or for any inappropriate behaviors. Usually, the procedure of observers comes from the house captain or an appointed member from each house, which will represent their house as an observer. Nevertheless, a sister would have mentioned we have Miss Collymore and Miss Ramsamy instead. So if you are clear about the rules, I would want to see you do so by the wave of your hand, students. You're clear. Okay. So then we can. Okay. Seconds would have gone. You will proceed to the mic. You're clear on that? Okay. So I will proceed. How many students were on the school's enrollment in 1998 when the school began? How many students were on the school's enrollment in 1998 when the school began? And if we can have some order, maybe you start from my left here with Our Lady of Lourdes, and you come in a clockwise position. You'll prefer that? Okay, okay. So you'll go alphabetically based on your house letter.
228 students.
227. 227 students.
227 students.
227 students are correct. Second question. How many grades did Marian Academy begin with? How many grades did Marian Academy begin with?
4 grades.
Eight grades.
Many students were present on the second day.
2008.
2003. 2003.
2003.
Anyone in the audience with the correct answer? The correct answer is 2001. In the year 2001, Marian Academy won its first Calypso competition. The next question. Name one of the 2 buildings in which Marian Academy started. Name one of the 2 buildings in which Marian Academy started. Name one of the 2 buildings in which Marian Academy started. Name one of the 2 buildings in which Marian Academy started. Marian Academy would have started in 2 buildings before we came across here.
The Guyana Legion Building.
The Guyana Legion Building.
The Guyana Legion Building.
The Guyana Legion Building is correct. The second building is the Guyana Softball Association Building. Thank you. Next question. Name one teacher who when the school started, and we're talking about in 1998. Name one teacher who
Miss Claire Henry.
Mrs. Claire Henry. Miss Claire Henry.
Miss Portia Swain.
the teachers were, and you're all correct, Mrs. Portia Swain, Teacher Roxanne or Mrs. Simon, Mrs. Claire Henry, Miss Duff, and Mrs. Rhonda Lampsey. We proceed to the next question. Who was the Roman Catholic bishop when the school started? Who was the Roman Catholic bishop when the school started? Who was the Roman Catholic bishop when the school started? Who was the Roman Catholic bishop when the school started?
Bishop Rodriguez.
Bishop Benedict Singh. Sorry. Singh, OSB. Sorry.
Father Malcolm Rodriguez.
Father Malcolm Rodriguez, SG.
The Roman Catholic bishop was Bishop Benedict Singh. Thank you. Next question. Who was the first chairman of the board of directors? Who was the first chairperson of the board of directors? Who was the first chairperson of the board of directors?
Sister Jacqueline.
Sister Jacqueline De Silva, OSU.
Sister Jacqueline De Silva, OSU.
Sister Jacqueline De Silva, OSU.
Sister Jacqueline De Silva, OSU is correct. No OSU. Yes. All right. The complete answer is Sister Jacqueline De Silva, OSU. So Sister is saying half score, 1 point. Students, please give complete answers. The head prefect in the year 2002 to 2003. Who was the head prefect in the year 2002-2003?